Hello student, very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are happy, healthy and fine at home. Do you remember what were we discussing yesterday? I think we were discussing about the multiple choice question or the objective type question based on question number 1 according to as a new revised syllabus of choice based credit system 2019 pattern. So let's see the remaining problems, remaining examples, that is a 102. Look at here, pyrrole reacts with acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3, aluminum chloride as a catalyst gives dash dash. See, the products are given, objectives are given, 1 acetyl pyrrole, 3 acetyl pyrrole, 2, 3 diacetyl pyrrole and 2 acetyl pyrrole. Let us see in the justification the structures of options. Let's see one which is here. Here is a pyrrole means NH, where there is a attachment of C double bond O, CS3, positive charge comes over here. 3 acetyl pyrrole. So let us see the structure of 3 acetyl pyrrole. 1, 2, 3. At 3 position acetyl group. And let us see 2, 3 diacetyl pyrrole means here NH at 2 position acetyl group is attached, as well as 3 position there is a acetyl group is present. Now 2 acetyl pyrrole means here let's see NH, where at 2 position acetyl group is attached here. See, so 4 structure already represented on the blackboard, and if you remember the reaction of pyrrole react with acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3 as a catalyst gives. Let us recap it here. This is the structure of pyrrole when it is treated with acetyl chloride. The chemical formula of acetyl chloride will be CS3 C double bond O Cl in presence of AlCl3. It is one of the famous reaction, is known as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. It is an electrophilic substitution reaction. The tendency of that pyrrole, it undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction mainly at 2 position. So the acetyl group should attach at 2 position, and we are getting as this type of the product. Look at here, which option is the correct? Look at 2. So here 2 acetyl pyrrole is the right answer. So you can tick mark here or you can click here. So whatever rules are there, according to you do that. Now let us move on to the next question. Next question will be 103. Let's see that. So 103, what is that? What is the following reaction? What is the following reaction? What is the following? What is the following reaction? What is the following reaction? Question mark here. Now the reaction is represented here. You can see this is a reaction represented CS3 C double bond O Cl in presence of AlCl3, and the product is formed NH, then acetyl group attached at C at two position, that is a reaction mentioned over here. Now what is the following reaction? So options, look at the options here. A, Diels-Alder, B, Riemer-Tiemann, C, Paul-Knorr, and D, Friedel-Crafts. See here. Look at here. Question number 103. What is the following reaction? Reaction is represented here, and by observing this reaction carefully, find out from the given option which is a correct one. So if you remember Diels-Alder reaction, it is a reaction taking place between 4+2 cycloaddition reaction. That reaction is known as a Diels-Alder reaction. This is not the cycloaddition reaction at all. It is a electrophilic substitution reaction, and which is occur at two position. Now Riemer-Tiemann reaction, and we know that regarding as a Riemer-Tiemann reaction, where the Fermyl group is introduced at two position in a 5-membered aromatic heterocyclic compound, that is not there, acetyl group is introduced. And Paul-Knorr synthesis is a well-known synthesis for the synthesis of 5-membered ring by treating with the different starting material and the suitable reagent, maintaining proper reaction condition, and there is a formation of 5-membered heterocyclic compound depending upon the nature of the reagent. Starting compound in every 5-membered ring is a 1,4-diketone, or we can call it as acetonyl acetone, or 2,5-hexadione or 2,5-hexanedione. Now Friedel-Crafts reaction, it is one of the reaction shown by the aromatic compound commonly, where we can introduce alkyl group or the acetyl group in presence of the catalyst such as aluminum chloride. So this is the Friedel-Crafts reaction. So C is the right answer, and this is the correct answer over here. Now let us move on to the next question, that is the question number 104. Question number 104. What will be the question number 4? Let's see. 104. Pyrrole reacts with benzene diazonium chloride. Pyrrole reacts with benzene diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride at 5 degrees centigrade, gives dash. And what it gives, let us see, the options are given. 1 pyrrole, 1 phenylazopyrrole, 1 phenylazopyrrole, 1 phenylazopyrrole pyrrole. B will be 2-phenylazopyrrole, 2-phenylazopyrrole, and C 3-phenylazopyrrole, 3-phenylazopyrrole, and D both A and C, both A and C option, both A and C option. Once again, let us see the structures of these compounds. Here pyrrole, we know that this is a moiety, and here this group is attached N double bond NC6H5 is a structure of 1-phenylazopyrrole. 2-phenylazopyrrole structure is like this, N double bond NC6H5, then 3-phenyl, let's see here NH at 3 position, N double bond NC6H5, that are the structure which I have represented on the blackboard. What do you think? As we know that pyrrole undergoes as an electrophilic substitution reaction mainly at 2 position, and therefore see the option 2-phenylazopyrrole means this is the correct structure and 2 is the right answer. Now let us move on to the next question, that is a question number 105. Question number is 105. Let's see. What is the following reaction? What is the following reaction? What is the following? What is the following reaction? What is the following reaction? Question mark is given once again. What is the following reaction? Reaction is given here. NH, then C6H5, N triple bond NCl is a positive charge, minus charge over there, and the product also given NH, then N double bond NC6H5. That is the structure given here. What is the following reaction? Now options are given. A, Diels-Alder. A is a Diels-Alder. Diels-Alder. B would be the Paul-Knorr. C would be diazo-coupling. Diazo-coupling, and D would be the Friedel-Crafts. D is a Friedel-Crafts. What do you think? If you observe this reaction carefully, you will get the answer. This reaction is known as a diazo-coupling reaction, where we get the azo compounds over there, and therefore C is the right answer over here. Now let us move on to the next question, that is the question number 106. What is it? Let's see. When pyrrole is heated with chloroform and KOH, when pyrrole is heated with chloroform, when pyrrole is heated with chloroform and KOH, chloroform and KOH, undergoes dash reaction, undergoes dash reaction. When pyrrole is heated with chloroform and KOH, undergoes dash reaction, and reactions are given here, options are given here. Diels-Alder, B would be Paul-Knorr, and C would be Riemer-Tiemann, and the D is Friedel-Crafts. When pyrrole is heated with chloroform and KOH, undergoes dash reaction. If you remember the reaction like this is a starting material where chloroform and KOH is a reagent used, and where we are getting the desired product, this one, CHO. Fermyl group is introduced at 2 position. This is one of the famous reaction. Which one is this reaction? This is nothing but as a Riemer-Tiemann reaction. Riemer-Tiemann reaction, and therefore C would be the right answer over here. Let us move on to the next one. What is the following reaction? What is the following reaction? Question number 7 here, 107. What is the following reaction? 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 Question mark. Reaction is given. Reaction is this way. Then CHCl3 in presence of KOH, and the product form CHO. Now, and the options are given here. Diels-Alder is Diels-Alder, B Riemer-Tiemann, C Friedel-Crafts, Friedel Crafts, and D would be Paul Knorr. So this is one of the famous reaction, chloroform and KOH, introduced as a CHO group, which is nothing but as a Rimmer-Tymon reaction. This would be the Rimmer-Tymon reaction. Let us see. Let us move on to the next, that is a question number 108. Let's see here, question number 108. When pyrrole is heated with, when pyrrole is heated with chloroform and KOH, chloroform and KOH, potassium hydroxide, KOH, undergo Rimmer-Tymon reaction, Rimmer-Tymon reaction, giving dash product. Let's see here. A would be 2-pyrrole carboxyaldehyde, 2-pyrrole carboxyaldehyde. B would be 1-pyrrole carboxyaldehyde, 1-pyrrole carboxyaldehyde. C would be 3-pyrrole carboxyaldehyde, 3-pyrrole carboxyaldehyde, and D would be all of these. What do you think? Which would be the correct answer? 2-pyrrole carboxyaldehyde, structure of this one pyrrole at 2 position, CHO group is there. 1-pyrrole carboxyaldehyde, once again NH along with CHO, positive charge over there, and 3 position there is a Fermyl group introduced at 3 position, H, C, double bond O, H, and all of this. What do you think? As we know that Rimmer-Tymon reaction, which is introducing as a Fermyl group, it is also belong to as a electrophilic substitution reaction, and mainly 5-membered ring gives you the electrophilic substitution reaction mainly at 2 position, and therefore first one is a right answer or the correct answer. I think with this let us stop today here. Remaining multiple choice question we will solve in our next lecture. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.